I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a bank to your Affirm wallet can streamline your transactions and make managing payments easier. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your wallet settings. Step 2. Navigate to Wallets. Once you are in the app, find the Wallet option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Add Bank. In the Wallet section, look for the Add Bank button. Tap on it to start the process of linking your bank account. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Double-check these details to avoid errors. Note, if you enter an incorrect routing number, you may receive an error message when trying to link your account. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, review the information and confirm it. Tap Save to finalize the addition of your bank account to your Affirm wallet. Now you are all set. Adding your bank to Affirm can make your transactions smoother. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy spending!